Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. Check that your phone model actually includes a fingerprint sensor and that you set a secure lock PIN. Without a PIN, the option won't appear. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and install any pending system updates because missing platform updates often hide biometric options. Then reboot the device to refresh services. Make sure to open settings and navigate straight to security or biometrics so you can follow the next steps. Next, dive into the deeper configuration and execution steps. Open settings, go to biometrics or security, and look for a biometric/use fingerprint toggle. Enable it if present. If the option is missing, check for a vendor system app update or driver update in system right arrow updates because the sensor needs matching firmware. Once updated, clear settings app cache and reboot to apply changes. If still absent, inspect device administrator apps and temporarily disable any that manage security, then revisit the fingerprint settings. Finally, complete enrollment and validate functionality. Follow the on-screen instructions to register 1 to 3 fingerprints, lifting and repositioning your finger until enrollment finishes. Once registered, test unlocking and any apps that support fingerprint authentication to confirm behavior. If the option still fails or you get errors, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps, reset system settings as a last step, and if necessary, contact the device vendor for sensor repair or firmware reflash. One key tip: back up before resets to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.